They are very small mussels, but they pose a big threat to the Okanagan.
No jurisdiction has succeeded in keeping them out so far.
It's an invasive species of mussels called zebra and quagga. They came from Europe and invaded the Great Lakes. They've now infiltrated the Red River in Manitoba and lakes in western states. They reproduce at an astonishing rate, and experts like this aquatic biologist say if we don't protect ourselves, Okanagan and surrounding area lakes will fall victim too.
We're a very mobile society, so a boat that's in Lake Tahoe today could be in Okanagan Lake tomorrow, and that's how, unfortunately, these things are getting around.
The situation, experts say, is very serious. An invasion would have a major impact on the ecosystem and fisheries.
But if we go with what they've done in other places, the fisheries have collapsed.
And that's not all. Infrastructure like docks and boating equipment are also at big risk.
All the large municipal water intakes and sewer outfalls could be clogged by the little zebra mussel shells. All the people who have private water intakes along the lake, those intakes could become unusable. People's boats, their motors could become unworkable. The potential for damage is really quite frightening.
The Okanagan Basin Water Board is very concerned. It says the economic impact to control the mussels once they invade is huge. It's estimated an invasion could cost our region $43 million a year.
A number of boats have been stopped in Idaho that were on their way to the Okanagan last year. And last year there was a boat that came from California that had dead quagga mussels on it that made it all the way up to Shuswap. Right now they're doing repeated testing at Shuswap Lake to make sure that they haven't actually been infected.
The mussels multiply very quickly. Experts say one mussel can have 1 million offspring, which could turn into trillions in just 2 years. A public awareness campaign is just getting underway, but for now, the main message is geared towards boaters.
Please, everybody needs to get used to cleaning, draining, and drying their boats when they move from one water body to another,
to prevent widespread damage and a major cost to us all. Claudia Tseglash, Global News, Kelowna.